to Swiss German in 3 minutes. Today we're gonna learn about how to say thank you in Swiss German. So the most common way to say thank you in Swiss German is just saying danke. Danke. If you want to emphasize it a little bit, like thank you very much, you would say danke vielmal. Not like the Germans. The Germans, they say danke vielmals. We would only say danke vielmal. And as we live very close to France, of course, we have a lot of French words in our language. And one very important word in our language is merci. So you could also say merci. A lot of people say merci instead of danke. And you can also say merci vielmal. Merci vielmal. And what would you reply to that if somebody said merci to you? You could say, for example, ich gern geschehen. Ich gern geschehen. Or you could say just gern geschehen. Or another way of responding to thank you, you could say ist schon gut. Schon gut. Or you could just say bitte. Bitte or bitte sehr. So if you, for example, order a coffee and the person brings you the coffee, you just say merci, and the other person would say gern geschehen. Bye! See you in my next lesson.